Okay, ladies, I need your help. I'm going to my best friend's 50th birthday party. It's luau themed. Which outfit should I wear? Outfit number one or outfit number two? Let me know what your vote is in the comments. All right, bye. Hey, I'm invited to my best friend's 50th birthday party. She decided, I think I'll have a luau. So, I guess that's the theme. The theme is luau. You think this outfit is good enough for a luau? I don't know, but this is outfit number one. Let me know what you think. So I have this on. I have my little bling bling sandals on. I think that's good. Let me know what you think. Now this is the second outfit. And I really like this. It's cool. Right now it is 90 something degrees and it is hot. So we're going to be inside. And I know that if it's not cooler than this, I don't think I'm going to wear this because, even though you have this little part of your little tummy showing out and it doesn't feel that hot, but I know where she's having it is inside and air conditioned. So I might wear this because, the long sleeves. But the thing that I'm a little bit conflicted about is, should I wear these sandals or my bling blingy sandals, which I would think would be cute as well. Let me put them on. I have a knee injury, so even though I would like to wear my heels, my knee said, not today, Satan. You ain't wearing no heels. You better put yourself in some sandals. I'll give you a little boost by getting you a little wedge, and that is all. Other than that, better stick them heels in the closet. So anyway, tell me what you think. Also, I might be wearing a different hairstyle, so I might actually wear a actual flowered lei, or I might put flowers in this hairstyle. Anyway, let me know what you think. Bye.